Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we're getting fall ready by giving you guys a fall makeup look. And because today's video is sponsored by NYX Professional Makeup on some of their staple products, I figured why not just give you a full face of them, because who doesn't love drugstore, right? We love drugstore. So if you guys want to see what we come up with, then let's go. So I'm going to start on eyeshadow. I'm going to use Escape Artist. I was going to use Modern Dreamer, but Modern Dreamer is kind of still giving me spring, summer, especially those last few rows, and I feel like Escape Artist is a little bit more fall. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use this one. Yeah, just this one. So I'm gonna start out with this shade right here, and she is going to be our little transition shade. We're taking her up to the eyebrows today. And then let's start with you in my crease and just start digging in there. And then I was gonna do this one in my outer corner, but let's do this one because it's deep enough, but not too dark of an outer corner color. Even though like this is, this is smoky eye season. They're coming. I'm not gonna do one today, but y'all know they're coming. And just keep that out here. And just keep that out here. For my lid shades, I'm going to start with this shade, this one right here, and start applying that right here. And bridge the gap with this shade right here. I sleep a little too much on brown liner for my liking, and you probably do too, because when you think about it, like, she might be the more superior color to use when you're doing eyeliner, because she doesn't take up the spotlight. You see her there on your face, but she doesn't take away from the eyeshadow look that you just did. And for fall, it usually blends in a lot more seamlessly with fall eyeshadow looks. All right, this is where it goes uneven for me. And see, my point has been made. It's there, but it's not taking the spotlight away, and it's also not emphasizing the fact that my liner is uneven. So quality product, and it's got your back. For primer, I'm gonna use the Pore Filler primer. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used this in the Doing My Makeup Like It's 2016 versus 2020 video. And I was like, wait a minute. Okay, you're doing something for me. So I'm gonna use this in my T-zone area. And of course, I'm using Born to Glow as my foundation. I'm also gonna use it as concealer today. I know I've done foundation in a video, like it's been on my face with these two. I don't know if I've done it to where I've said that's what I'm doing, so I'm gonna like show myself using it as foundation and concealer today. And the shade that I'm using as foundation, of course, is Cocoa, and then the shade I'm using that's a lighter shade as concealer is gonna be Deep Sable. So I'm gonna put Cocoa down first, and y'all already know what it is when it comes to this foundation. We're talking like holy grails for me, and y'all know I don't have many of those, but at $10, okay, $10, that's all I gotta say. And then Deep Sable as the concealer. And then I am still wearing the powder. Let me go ahead and remove the, what is the powder called again? HD? It's HD, right? Where did I put it down? Now for setting spray, it's America's #1 setting spray. It's been my #1 setting spray lately, especially if you guys have tuned in to my Halloween series. Especially when you're doing like characters, cartoons, stuff like that, they're usually very matte. But I just feel like fall in general, you start leaning towards a little bit more matte of a finish to your face, but we want matte without looking or feeling dry. So again, that's why I like this one. And also I feel, and I've said this quite a few times in my videos. I feel like I can still like this and still get that matte like oil control face because I do use things like a Born to Glow foundation where, you know, like you're mixing and putting things in the right places so that your face lasts throughout the day. So as you guys see, I'm holding 3 different ones in my hands, right? So I feel like just recently they came out with like a super size matte finish, finny matte setting spray, and then there's the normal size. This one is not mine. This is a new like unopened bottle, and then there's like a little mini like travel size one. So there's 3 different sizes. Ooh, this one, of course this one would be mine because it doesn't have a lid. I don't know what it is when it comes to setting sprays, but I can never actually hold on to the lid. We're just gonna give her a little shaky poo, a little test spritz. And, ooh, all right, already getting on my face. Come on. Now for my lips, I do want dark, but I also want nude. I've got some options here. And y'all know I rarely wear just one lip product anyway, so let's see what we come up with. Do I want dark? Dark. Okay, let me line my lip with this Push Up in the shade After Hours. I'm gonna use the Lingerie lip in Beauty Mark. A full new, oh, well, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Satin Robin in the middle. I'm gonna do green from the palette on my bottom lash line. I do have gloss that I could have added to my lip. I'm gonna stick with the matte vibes that we've got going on. I'm gonna use the black Epic liner to fill in the actual beauty mark I really have on my face, and then draw a couple more on. So that is it for my face today, coming at you guys with those fall vibes, and also coming at you with a reminder that especially at times like these, drugstore products can give you those same luxury quality feel that more expensive products give you. Okay, I'm talking like the exact same feel and sometimes even better. Like I said, Holy Grail foundation is $10. Okay, and again, coming from someone that you guys know doesn't even like mess with setting spray like that all the time, one of my fave setting sprays again is from the drugstore, and it's a matte finish setting spray. So just had to give you guys that reminder. Shout out to NYX Professional Makeup for allowing me to bring you guys that reminder. Everything I used will be linked in the description down below. Let me know in the comments if I didn't use it in this video, what some of your other favorite NYX products are. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.